What is up, guys? In this video we are unboxing some brand new Displate posters today. So I'm very excited because I love Displate posters and I've unboxed a couple on my channel, and today we're going to be transforming a bit of the space in the back with some brand new Displate posters. These are all medium size and matte finish because I prefer matte over any other type of Displate poster. So let's delve right in and unbox some Displates. Let's go. Alright, for Christmas I got this cool box opener, so this is perfect for this sort of situation. So these usually take about 5 days to arrive, and they usually come in this nice box. And what it says is Displate on the box, and then who says a small collection can't start a big collection. I love it so much. And what I love about this unboxing is it's with my brand new camera, so we're getting the proper 4K quality this time. So I'm very happy that we get to unbox this and show you guys some brand new Displate posters and do a guide on the process of mounting them and everything. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's check out these brand new beautiful Displate poster designs. So today, by the way, I got 4 posters. We have this assembly guide over here. So this is something actually new that they probably included with the Displate. So basically it just says to clean the wall, put on the protective leaf, then put on the magnet on top and hold it for a couple of seconds. Then hang on your Displate, and it tells you about the different sizes and the safety guides and stuff. It's really good that they have it all in this cardboard, so you get a proper guide. So like I was saying, we got 4 different Displates, and over here it does say that it's 100% recyclable material. Always appreciate that. And also, you know, when you buy a Displate, you plant a tree. So today, because I bought 4 Displates, I've planted 4 trees. So it's nice to give back to the world. So this is the first design that I got today. So this is a Stranger Things poster. Stranger Things is probably one of my favorite Netflix series I've watched in the last 2 to 3 years of my life. I love it. I've watched every single season from season 1. What I love about it is the upside down world, how you kind of go into this brand new world and there's all this like floating stuff, and it's really, really cool. And it's kind of like Dungeons and Dragons, and there's lots of fantasy elements. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have probably already watched Stranger Things, but if you haven't, just check it out. It is really, really good. So there you go. There's the Stranger Things poster. You can see there is a bit of glow because of the light, but usually with the sun, you're not getting too much glare. So that's what I like about the matte finish. This is also the back. I don't think I've ever really shown the back of these posters. So that's what you're getting with the back. Shows like a proper sign thing. These are made by fan artists too, so you know, Stranger Things is allowed to be on Displate because they are sponsoring Displate to put the stuff on, because they have the connections with like Marvel and stuff like that, so they allow certain fan arts to be on the website. So here's my second poster. We have right here a Spider-Man design. It's easier to see once all the wrapping is off because there's a bit of glow, I guess. So this is the design. What I love about this is it reminds me of the Spider-Man animated movie Into the Spider-Verse, and I'm excited for the new one to come out. It's gonna be a really good movie. So Spider-Man is one of my all-time favorite Marvel movies. I love how they just like sign every single one at the back. But I think what it is the way it's designed, as you can see, they've got the metal in the middle there, and then they have the different finishes on top, and they sort of lay them on. So we have this sheet of metal that's signed by the original creator, and then they have these which goes on top. So as you can see, they sort of go around and they bend, and they have probably machines to do that. So they're all thin sort of slivers of metal. So yeah, that's the second design that I've got. It's the Spider-Man poster. I really like the artwork of this, and I love Spider-Man, so it's definitely great to have. The third one of my favorites. So we got an original Game Boy over here, but it's sort of stretched out and they took out all the different pieces. So I don't know how they designed this, but they found all the different layers of the Game Boy and made this poster out of it. So it's absolutely awesome. Probably one of my favorite posters from today because I love the Game Boy Color, especially this Game Boy Color, the yellow one. I grew up playing this one, so that with Pokemon Yellow or Pokemon Blue and Red. Even like Gold and Silver, that's what I played when I was a kid. So having this is probably one of my, in a way, a very meaningful poster, and I'll probably cherish it forever. And the last one of the most important ones, so the Gaming Zone poster. So this one just shows what type of place we're in right now. We are in the gaming zone. So what I love about this design is how simple it is. I've got another one on the other side of my door saying something about being in a gaming room and you need to knock before entering or something like that. But this one, I love the luminescence. This one actually probably will actually put up there, and maybe the Game Boy one will be somewhere up here instead. But yeah, let's actually get to mounting them, and also we get a 30% off exclusive discount code, so you guys can have a look at that and maybe have the code for yourselves. There you go, you've got the code. First one, first served. I love this sort of sushi thing going on here with the art. That's actually really cool. Every time that I buy a Displate, the stickers are always different every time. With mounting, you got the cleaning wipes, so if your room is the walls are sort of dirty, then you can mount them with that, wait for 10 minutes, and then pretty much put this protective leaf on, push it down for like 5 seconds flat, and then you put the mount on top, and then you just press that down for like a couple of seconds as well. So let's get to mounting these posters. So with display posters, some people want to know how long they sort of last on the wall for. So this one's actually been on the wall for a couple of months and haven't actually fallen over. I have had a couple of display posters fallen off the wall before, but basically you can buy brand new leaflets and basically just remount them. Because it's been on the wall so well, I know that it's mounted really well, so I've mounted that on there. And we're just gonna replace this poster with the brand new Gaming Zone poster, such as this one. So that one is now gonna go there, and it's now the Gaming Zone. And we're gonna mount some other ones behind here. That's the first place where I'm gonna mount one. Probably gonna use this Game Boy one and just mount that right there. Alright, so the full process of actually doing this is you get one of these cleaning wipes, and I'll show you the cleaning wipes. So for example, it's like a proper cloth, and then you wipe the whole wall down, wait about 10 minutes, and then you can apply it. But for today, I'm just gonna put the protective leaf straight on the wall because I know these walls are pretty clean, like there's nothing really dirty about it. So I'm gonna do this, and I'll show you the proper technique. So you wanna grab one of these edges and sort of only get a little bit, get about halfway, and now you can actually pop this on like that. And I like to do it like I did before, how it was sort of diagonal, not actually square on. It just seems a bit easier to do it that way and mount it on the wall. Don't be worried about it being totally flat because it's only the protective leaf for the actual magnet, so you're not actually ripping off any paint on your wall. But overall, it should be really easy to mount it because of this. And as you can see, there's no bubbles or anything with this. I'll show you a close-up of it as well. There's barely any bubbles, and don't be so precious about if there is any bubbles. You can easily just push them out or anything like that and just have it down there flat. And then you basically just want to press the hard on it for at least 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. If you're struggling with that, you can easily just use a paper and then press on it again. So now the protective leaf is on. Let's get a quick close-up of it. And then you'll get that and then mount it that way. So the blue part of it you would take off because this part's the magnet. And then you just want to put that on. Put a bit of pressure on. Make sure it's right in there. Get your fist. And then press for like 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's on. And now you can pretty much mount your poster onto it like that. Beautiful. Excellent. Yep, so it's pretty much straight, which is great. So now we have this poster mounted, so now we can mount the other ones. So I thought I'd mount both of these both together because I feel like it would actually be quite cool. So I just got to make sure they're sort of close to each other. We've got a decent distance. So now we're going to have a wall of all these Displate posters on this wall. It's going to look really good. Some pretty cool posters above the computer desk and it looks really, really cool. So we got some of my favorite things. We got anything from Spider-Man, Game Boy. We've got Stranger Things over here. We have some nice artwork. We've even got a limited edition display poster over here. So right here we got the gaming zone one as well. So that's right next to this backlighting. It's gonna look so awesome for the videos. So I'm super pumped about it. So couple of extra things that I did. So I used this spirit leveler to make sure that these are straight. So basically just pop it down at the bottom and that way you know that that's exactly straight when this is sort of in the middle there. So that's one thing that you can do. You can use like a ruler for sort of even spacing. Right here it's not perfect with the even spacing, but it's better than nothing anyway. So that's a couple of things that I did extra, but I love how sort of turned out. Overall, I'm pretty damn happy with how it's all turned out. It's kind of feeling a bit more, I don't know, at home for me with pop culture and stuff that I really like about the studio. So I'm pretty happy. So thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time.